Welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of a loci, and in today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of a triangle given the altitude and the two base angles. Good? First thing, as I said, that we're going to do, we're going to draw our triangle, right? So our triangle, right, is to be drawn, and the altitude is mm, um, 80 millimeters, and the hmm, base angles are 22.5 degrees and degrees degrees and 60 degrees. All right, here it is. Good. All right, so what I was gonna say before, the base of the triangle is not given, right? So the first thing that you have to do, you have to draw the altitude, right? So let us start. So we're gonna start off with our baseline, our construction line, okay? Enter. All right, good. Maybe it's below the words. All right. So the altitude was 80 millimeters, right? So what we have to do, we have to draw a parallel line to the construction line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw it. Okay, so here we have our parallel line, right? So the altitude is represented by a parallel line. Now, as I stated earlier on, the base or the length of the sides are not given, right? So you don't know the base where to set out the angle, right? So what I normally do is select a point at the top, right? And then construct the angles. There's another way to do it, but this is the way I do it, okay? So we're gonna construct the angles. All right, so in today's video, as we mentioned, we're required to construct a triangle given the altitude, which is this distance, versus from this distance, the two base angles, which is this angle and this angle. Yes. So in our video today, the dimensions that we're using, the altitude is 80 millimeters. There it is indicated there. That's 80 millimeters. The two base angles are 60 degrees and 45 degrees. Here they are. And because they are Z angles, the 45 degree would also be up here and the 60-degree will be up there, right? So that is why I constructed it at A, right? Okay. So here is our given triangle based on the measurements. We're definitely now at the end of today's video. So in today's video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the altitude and the two base angles. I would love to know your feedback on the video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And in the next video, we should be looking at perspective drawing a perspective drawing. All right, see you then. Bye.